Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. Today is the 9th, which is my cousin brother and my very good friend's birthday too. So happy birthday to both of them. And I'm so excited that I'm going for a layover to the new destination, which I'm gonna disclose later. This is my jacket and I'm running late. I really need to start driving. I'm just waiting for my car to cool down and then find parking spot. All right. He's my senior, Prakash from India. That's an amazing crew. That's Ali. Ali, say hi.
Who's that? Hola.
And then we're packing the bags like this. It's gonna go up. ये लैंड होने के बाद का आई थिंक ऑक्सीजन कम हो गया हमारे सबके बॉडी में. ये आदमी हो चुका है पागल पूरी तरीके से. इतनी गर्मी है कि हमें दुबई का समर याद आ गया. ये देखो,
बंदर एयरपोर्ट पे भी है, होटल में
बंदर एयरपोर्ट पे भी है, होटल में भी है.
इधर है. एक्चुअली देखा, मैंने सही कहा. सीनियर हमेशा सही होता है.
सीनियर हमेशा सही होता है.
देखो, बनाना भी बोल रहा हूँ.
बनाना भी मांग रहा है.
Vlogger.
This is the room. Amazing. Beautiful flowers. Oh my god. This is me, my bag. A mini washroom, wardrobe, can me. Oh my god. Wow. Small bed, large bed. I don't know what is this door for. Some bananas. And oh my god, I have a balcony. All right. Wow. This is beautiful. I love it, but I mean, 2 beds. Okay, perfect. Do you want to guess the destination I'm in? I am in Mombasa. And this is one of those exotic destinations जो बहुत कम लोग को मिलते हैं when you're on top priority. And I have exactly 20 minutes to shower, get ready, and then we go out to the beach, walk and go to a restaurant. We go to a restaurant. I'm super excited for that because I'm hungry. Okay. ये बेड्स के ऊपर ऐसे लाइट्स क्यों लगाए हुए रहते हैं? I mean, I don't get it. Anyways, मैंने बोला था कि I'll take a shower and I'll go out, but I'm gonna cancel that because अभी बज रहे हैं I think 10:30, 11 o'clock Mombasa time, and I don't think so it's safe to go out. Plus I was supposed to, when I was getting inside the room, the guy is like, it's not safe to go out right now, and usi same time pe my mom called. So I was like, I kind of believe in all these kind of things, like when you get signs from the universe or from your angels and stuff like that. तो मैंने सोचा trauma नहीं चाहिए मुझे. Anyways, I'm gonna order some food right now. This is the menu. Let's see. So I just ordered some food. Before checking the food, we have this chili sauce classic and tomato ketchup. I think this is French fries. Wow, amazing. I'm gonna put it over here. Sorry guys, I'm gonna have it on the bed because wahan pe baith ke I cannot eat right now. And whoa, good morning everyone. And I think it's almost 9 in the morning, or and I'm trying to give them banana. Like, Every time I show him the banana, look at him. I'm just scared कि कहीं काट ना ले. And there's one more, like that's the female one and this is the male one. And there's no more, so I'm just gonna split it into 2 parts. And oh my god, कहीं काट के मेरा जिंदगी ना खराब कर दे ये. Oh, my nails. Okay, let's try. Oh my god, I cannot record it. I guess. I don't know. Let me try and give it. Okay. Shh. No. Okay. No, I gave the other one to her and oh my god, they are friendly. Oh my god, no, I don't have anything for you. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. 2 minutes के लिए मेरी फट गई थी. They're friendly, but I don't want to get any kind of monkey bites and anyways, I have to get ready and go down and have breakfast. We just had breakfast and it's all green. I couldn't record it because it was just 10 minutes for everything to shut down, so I couldn't record that part, but ठीक है, खा लिया, ठूस लिया. बालों का हालत ख़राब हो चुका है. ये आदमी इतना जोर का चल रहा है. उसने बुफे से केला चोरी कर लिया है, 2 केला. और हम लोग अभी बाहर बैठ के चाय कॉफ़ी पीने वाले. I think he's calling us there. Ali, there. Oh, it's the captain. मुझे लगा यहाँ का कोई है वो, but he's our captain. This place is amazing. Tropical, beautiful. There are monkeys. It's beautiful. The sun is amazing, so he's going for a dip. हमारा जो क्रू है वो बंदर जैसा एक बोट के ऊपर चढ़ चुका है. I'm just out with everyone to have a nice late lunch. और ये आदमी उधर बोट के ऊपर चढ़ के बैठा हुआ है. I'm just going there. ये आदमी मुझे पानी में बुला रहा है. मैं पानी में जाने का ट्राई कर रही हूँ. I hope I don't drop the phone, so I'm gonna turn it off. Wow, the water is amazing. I managed to come on the boat here. That's our senior who is also joining us on this fake boat. Why do I keep a feeling like as if this is moving?
Yeah, it's moving.
It's moving.
But not moving. Where do you come from?
पीछे से. This is like woo.
Boat
amazing.
With no engine.
This is amazing. I am not gonna lie, but I'm kind of tired. आज के layover पर I don't know, I don't have the energy. maybe kal raat ko I couldn't sleep. Like I barely slept, and today in the afternoon I took a 1 hour nap, so I'm like super tired. But we had an amazing lunch, like late night lunch. Then we got into the water. We thought we'll go to to swim, but it was low tide and a lot of drama, so we just had a very nice lunch. And there was some office people who came to the hotel, and they had a small conference, so we joined and we danced with them and everything. It was nice. For some reason I have a headache now. I think I'm gonna nap for half an hour. See, I can't even talk. And then we go for dinner. Now dinner is in this restaurant, which is not in the hotel where we are staying. It's nearby. Apparently it's super the food is amazing, and whatever the ambience, so we will see.
Cheers.
You have a desk here.
Good morning, everyone. This is the last day in Mombasa, and I have got like tanning everywhere on my cheeks, and यहाँ धजिया उड़ चुकी है पूरी तरीके से सारे क्रू की, स्पेशली दो अली, क्रिश्चियन और मेरी, क्योंकि हम लोग बाहर बहुत टाइम बैठे हुए थे. स्पेशली आई गेट लाइक टैंड ओवर हियर इस पार्ट पे फॉर सम रीज़न, एंड इस पार्ट पे, और बहुत ज़्यादा इचिंग हो रही है. एंड सो व्हाट आई एम गोना डू इज़ राइट नाउ, आई डिडंट गो फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट, जबकि मुझे उठना था 8 बजे, बट बज चुके हैं 10:30. So breakfast is done. I didn't go and have it, so it's fine because कल रात बहुत खा लिया था मैंने. I was actually looking for the monkeys so that I can give them one last final banana that I have. But ठीक है, अब मैं थोड़ा सा चाय पीऊँगी, and then we'll get ready and go back to Dubai to my cats. I miss them. मैं हो चुकी हूँ पूरी तरीके से तैयार. A little tired though. My bags are ready. I have kept the other bag out. Jacket is in the hand. Purse is there, and that's it. I loved this layover. It was amazing, and it's time to go back to Dubai to my cats. I am tired. I do have a headache. Anyways, see you in the next vlog. Thank you so much if you watched till the end, and do like and subscribe. I need to go now. Bye.